Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy iPad 10th generation in Big Billion Days sale. So they are asking me a lot of questions regarding this tablet. Some users actually want to buy iPad 10th generation for video editing. Video editing on this tablet is excellent as this tablet comes with A14 Bionic chipset, so you can edit your videos with excellent quality. I have edited some video on this iPad 10th generation using InShot app, and I saw that video editing is excellent and top notch. You can edit your 4K 60 FPS videos with ease. After the iOS 17.5.1 update, Apple has included a lot of new features in iPad 10th generation. As you can see here, these wallpapers have been added after iOS 17.5.1, so you can have great customization of iPad 10th generation. However, the base variant of iPad 10th generation comes with only 64 GB of internal storage. That might be a deal breaker for a lot of users, but the build quality of this tablet is excellent. Also, the viewing angles and the color algorithm of this tablet is top notch. However, there is a gap between the main glass and the upper front glass, but you cannot notice that until you notice it very closely. If you are using any Android tablet with 120 Hz of refresh rate, you might feel this tablet little bit slower in terms of animation. If you talk about the storage, actually the 64 GB version fills up very quickly. As you can see here, only 10 GB is available in photo app, and 25 GB of internal storage is free as of now. So you have to be worried about the storage capacity of this tablet. So on the other hand, the 256 GB of iPad 10th generation is way ahead in terms of price point. You have to pay around 12,000 rupees more to buy the 256 GB version compared to 64 GB of internal storage. Some users actually want to buy this tablet for note taking, so you can take notes on this tablet, but you have to buy iPencil separately, and for that reason you have to pay another 7,000 rupees, or you can buy third-party iPencil at a price point of 1.5k. If you want to buy the third-party pen, link in the description below. Now some users are asking me about the right price in Big Billion Days sale. In Big Billion Days sale, the price of this tablet will be around 22,000 rupees after applying cashback and bank offers. So if you have no hurry in terms of buying iPad 10th generation, wait for 3 months and then you can buy this tablet at an enticing price. And if you can get this device under 22,000 rupees, you will get a very good deal. So what's your thought regarding this tablet? Let me know in the comment sections below. And if you have any questions regarding this tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.